fix a lens distortion. We have our start file and our end file. It's going to end like this. It's going to start like this. So we have this bulbous image. All I have to do is double click. It'll open up in Photoshop. Then I go filter, lens correction. You want to make sure that auto scale image is selected, and then we're going to go to custom, and we're going to remove the distortion. So the geometric distortion will be removed, and it's recommended to do 50, and you can see how it automatically straightened it up. You also want to make sure that preview is selected and show grid. The grid's going to help you see the distortion a little bit more clearly. And I'm going to pull the remove distortion slider to the right, and you can see how it's kind of straightening it up a little bit more. But also for fun, let's go ahead and move it to the left side. And you can see, whoa, it's very distorted in a barrel distortion. But let's go back to 50. I could also type in a number if I wanted it to have a specific number. There's a lot of different choices you can have here. We can vignette. We can darken the midpoints. We can do a vertical perspective, horizontal perspective, and also an angle. So go ahead and play with those tools and have fun. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that, and then I go File, Save As, Turn In, and I'm going to name this 05 for lesson 5, columns, underscore, last name, underscore, first name. Make sure the format is Photoshop, and then I press save.